In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change image settings in Midjourney. Start by opening Discord on your desktop or in a browser. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your servers and send commands. On the left sidebar, find and select the Midjourney server. It has the familiar Midjourney icon and sits among your other servers. If you don't see it, you may need to join the server first. But once it's there, click into it to continue. Next, open the area where you interact with the Midjourney bot. This can be the messages view with the bot directly, or any channel in the Midjourney server where the bot is active and allows prompts. The key is that you're in a place where you can type and the bot will respond. In the message field, type the command/settings like this. Settings. When you select and send that command, Midjourney will post a settings panel in the chat. This panel is interactive and is where you'll control your image generation defaults. Look for the button that says adjust your settings here. Current suffix. Go ahead and click that. The current suffix line simply indicates any default parameters that may be appended to your prompts automatically. Opening this will show the full set of toggles and model options, giving you a clear overview of what's currently active. Within the settings, choose Use the Default Model, V7. This sets your account to the latest default model, so your future prompts use V7's capabilities without extra parameters. It's a quick way to align with the platform's recommended choice. If you want to compare or switch, click Midjourney Model V6.1. This will move your generation model to V6.1, which some users prefer for its particular aesthetics or behavior. The moment you click, your selection is saved, and you can generate images with that model right away. When you're ready to go back to the newest experience, click Midjourney Model V7. This returns your default to V7, so your subsequent prompts use the most up-to-date model. You can repeat these switches anytime to match the look or consistency you're aiming for. That's it. You've navigated to Discord, opened the Midjourney server and messages, used the settings command, opened the full settings panel, and switched between model options. These changes apply to your future prompts wherever the bot responds for you. If the panel doesn't appear, confirm you sent the settings command in a channel or direct message where the bot is allowed to reply. And remember, you can revisit these settings anytime to fine-tune your results without memorizing long parameters.